In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Coursera Plus discount promo code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and right here search for Coursera Plus discount promo code. Right here, go to this very first website and you have to open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promotions that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this free Coursera Plus courses, all you need to do is simply select this option with claim offer right here. And after that, you'll be redirected to their website and the promotion will be applied automatically. So you can get that Coursera Plus free courses. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called world20.com. And as you can see, we have some promo codes right here as well that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to receive up to 20% discount of Coursera Plus subscription, all you need to do right here is selection code. And right here, the promo code will show up. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code and apply this one in order to get this 20% discount on your Coursera Plus subscription. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.